Friends, if you remove the bottom part of the iPhone box, you will find the iPhone cover underneath it. But this guy does not believe this video at all. Then he also orders an iPhone. After the parcel arrives safely, he starts unboxing the iPhone and starts cutting the box underneath it. Friends, will the iPhone cover be found inside it or not? But before seeing that, on one side there is mother, and on the other side there is money. Which one of the two will you like? Only the people who like mother like me will like this video and subscribe to the channel. And see, in this way, after liking and subscribing to the video, click on the remix option and type on use this sound. Some such magic will happen.